The importance of diet in Karkadaga Chikitsa. During this condition, we used to give a special kind of medicated gruel or Karkadaga Kanni. There are do's and don't do's in Karkadaga Chikitsa and what all things that we can avoid during the Karkadagam.
Au revoir. Step into the magic.
Namaste, I am Dr. Chitra, Medical Head and Chief Physician, Orivor Ayurvedic Wellness Center, Palakkad, Kerala. Next come the importance of diet in Karkadaga Chikitsa. In Karkadaga Chikitsa, diet plays a very important role. In Ayurveda Karkadaga Chikitsa, green leafy vegetables and tubers we are recommended during the season. These kind of food containing which rich kind of minerals, vitamins and everything that will add on the digestion of the food what we are taking. During this condition, we used to give a special kind of medicated gruel or Karkadaga Kanni to the patients, those who are undergoing Ayurveda treatment modality. So generally, this kind of medicated gruel or normal gruel itself act as a digestive system, correct your digestion, act as a carminative and pacifying action. So when we are adding medicine to it, it acts as a more potensify the action of the medicated or normal gruel. And for that we are along with the medicated gruel, we used pattila curry, that is the locally made different types of 10 different leaves we are using and make it as a curry form, and as a side dish we are giving to the patients. There are do's and don't do's in Karkadaga Chikitsa. For a person after the Karkadaga Chikitsa, the person should have to do some kind of rest like 7 to 10 days or 7 to 14 days, and the person should have to drink plenty of warm water during the season. And next, the person has to take only wholesome diet practices during the season, and yoga and pranayama is very much indicated during the post Karkadaga Chikitsa. That times our mental factories also become stable, and too much of relaxation or too much of result oriented therapy we will get it after the pranayama and yoga procedures in Karkadaga Chikitsa. And what all things that we can avoid during the Karkadagam? We have to avoid too much of spicy food, too much of oily food, fatty foods, fermented foods. These kind of foods should have to completely avoid, and non-vegetarian food too you have to avoid during the post Karkadaga treatment.
Au revoir. Step into the magic. Malampura, Palakkad.